welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday morning. I just pulled into a parking lot that's probably about a 2-block walk from the coffee shop. We're in Seymour. It's a very old town and parking is very limited, so we're gonna park here. We're gonna shining like a beacon of bright stars. This character painted her bathroom tangerine orange. Girl's going through it right now. And to be fair, her mother died. And then the day after her mother's funeral, her boyfriend of a year, who she works with, dumped her. I love this author. I just read The Rom-Commers by her. That was a really good one. I really enjoyed that one. When I'm scared, I send a flare and you're here in a flash. When I ask, oh dear love, where did we come from? You say that like the sun. I had the will and mission, but the wrong position. I was open, praying for a sign, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. Where was this book when I was going through a breakup? Because this is so true. Breaking up is such a form of grief. It says, a breakup is a type of grief. It's the death of not just any relationship, but the most important one in your life. And oh, that is so true. You really are grieving when you break up the relationship. Alright, I am actually gonna head to the library to drop off this book I finished yesterday. It's a very quick drive, so let's go there. We are at the library. Was it over? Don't you worry about a thing, oh no. Every day is just a brand new start. Just follow your heart. So many dreams are waiting for you. Sing, hey, it's okay. Tomorrow's gonna be a new day. It's okay. So live your life and live your way. Your way. It's okay, it's okay. Alright, I got 3 books at the library. I ended up getting the 2 books from the authors that I know, and then I always try to do one of the newer books just to try to branch out and change, you know, okay? This is the bookmark offered for the library for this month. Okay. Anyway, so yes, I did get How to Walk Away by Catherine Center. I did do It's a Love Story by Annabelle Monaghan. And then I'm trying Courtroom Drama, which is a new release, 14-day hold, by Neely Tubati Alexander. So we'll see how it is. I don't know. It just seems interesting. I've never had jury duty, and it's about jury duty. So yeah, thank you for coming with me on this chaotic adventure of a Saturday. I'm gonna head home, maybe hit up the pool or something, go read. So yeah, until the next one, keep reading. Bye guys.